September 6, 2024, the Whitehall Noklak Village they officially launched Krishe as Chilu Kimungyan BPM Bara Society ke empower Kurule M Rakha Aro Federation ke grassroots approach over highlight Krishe. BLF 2 August 26, 2022 the form hoishe Aro Koyasi region laga highest block level laga organization hisab highest mountain laga naam tishe Koyase. Alag departments, agri departments, SPI, NCS para speakers Canberra self-reliance, long-term thinking aro government schemes or awareness can share kushe. Even to Noklak district bidor women empowerment ke loigina promote kurule M Rakhe se kushe.
Aji adia makan manu around 100 something 67 to thaki bole thaka ase ole bhi different geographical location alag khobra ami achi to suku pota nai itu pura launching program bhi amakan itu as per amakan direction ase so pai bole labara bra mon bhi khushi na pai hoigena kharab bhi kore ase ole bhi ami adia aise ki ekta department laga naam pura amakan gatherings kan logo noile line department kan logo department on behalf pura ki bobula ase ekta duita korgena amakan achi launching program to date program amakan bainda puri jabo aji ade amakan launching program itu NSLRM RD department under the block level federation banai gena ki le launching program to loya ase ki le aji ni ga jama korigena line department kan pura administration laga officer kan matigena department kan logena itu ki le puya se bole itu ekta government of India laga direction entire nation de Noklak district Samador district Tuisan district de no hoy Nagaland de no hoy whole over the country government of India laga direction de everywhere block thaka de self help group kan every village de NRLM burigena self help group banagena ase itu laga opode block level federation iniga banabe goina government pra direction ase itu pura amakan bi itu aji banai agena Tuisan district de India this is the 7th and 6th launching program that I am attending itu launching program hoya ase Noklak 6th te ase aro ekta juta Samador kali aro ekta juta district follow up koribo itu nishina this is a flagship program direction ase yate self help group kan kiman aise aro department kan kiman aine bi itu confused no bole nimide this is a government of India direction where all the blocks are directed to have direct block level federation banabi ina direction ase itu government direction ase itu ekta kotha itu pura aji amakan bi program banai gena hoi ase aro itu block level lava federation to kile banai acha banabi goshe banaise hole bi itu ki nimide banaise itu ki nimide banaya ase itu pura amakan bosti manu ki labh hobo itu khan pura itu maki khan ki labh hobo itu bana pura line department khan agriculture nishina bank khan nishina administration khan nishina alag department khan laga roles responsible ki hobo aro amakan date line department khan pura amakan kiniga convergence koribo lage noele kiniga amakan department laga direction sabde apni ka laga mutok to ki line de lage itu sob to aji itu launching program de deliberate kurigena aro the government laga ekta block level federation iniga NRLM de aside boina apni ko bi chanai digena itu loi jabole nimide aji amakan sob to gathering kuri ase ami one by one itu meaning ka noele ki nimide itu hoya ase itu lo time logina bujai dibo aro itu nishna we are looking forward hajinde amakan department kan achi launching program hobo chile different line department pra laga help aro apni kan laga facilitate gura department pra kuri dia noele department pra itu convergence kuri dia to lage so now itu bola department kan pra ami na spread over for the convenience of everyone amakan nasa to group kan bi ase ete PLF laga chairman secretary bi ase itu nakami spread maso to bobo itu ida gua laga ja itu second topic te na the first topic to Ami idu block level laga federation de structure kini ka thakibo, dakhan kini ka function kuribo, rules kini ka thakibo, kon bura chulabo, aro dade ki thakibo idu sob olop brief pura koribo.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.